Alright guys, so I'm going to take my excuse me, box of crayons palette from the crayon case, and I'm going to go in with the color yellow right here, and that's going to be going on my brow bone. So for this look, obviously it's going to be dramatic. I don't want to do anything muted with this look. I didn't even comb my hair. I just let it do what it do. Let's go in with tan. No, let's go in with pink. That's just going in my crease. And I'm meeting that. Oh, this has a mirror. And I'm meeting that up in my brow bone. Alright, so the pink is not a bright pink. The red. Alright, so far so good. It's not a like strong red, but it's giving off color, and that's pretty cool. I wish the purple in here was matte, but maybe I need to step away from that color scheme a little bit, because I've been doing the whole purple thing for a while now. And Deep Plum is this color here. So I'm going in my crease, out on the edge, and then I'm kind of pulling it down. And there's a little fallout. And feathering it up a little bit. When I say feathering it up, I mean I'm going in and then just lightly pushing the color up and not placing the color up, you know what I mean? So I'm coming here, I'm on the outside, in circular motions back and forth. Circular motions back and forth. It's circular! Not back and forth. Then I'm going to just take what's left on the brush and go up. Place, rather than like blend it out or buff it out. Black, using the same brush. LA Pro Primer in white. So then I'm going to go over that with a flat brush. I'm just going to push it onto my skin to kind of get rid of the top part of the product because it's damp. And if I don't get rid of the top part, it is going to crease. I don't know if that makes sense. But silver, blue, and then violet, I think. Baby blue. And then let's do the blue. Black. Going back in with baby blue, that's the second blue. Then back in with blue, that's the darker blue. Not bad. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye. Then I'm going to come back and do my lower lash line, which is where I think I'm going to go a little bit crazy, but I'm not sure. So this is gold. Wow, and it's really gold. Magenta. That's magenta right there. So I put on a black eyeliner off camera, and I'm placing the colors underneath the black eyeliner. Then I'm going in with violet. Alright, so let me just clean up the edges here. So now I'm going to be going with my lashes, and I'll be wearing my fashionista lashes from my lash line, Pomade by Lyric, and they look like this. It's like my 4th, 5th, or 6th time wearing them. So yeah, and then I'm going to come back and do my glow and my blush from the Watch Me Blush palette, again from Crayon Case.
You call it a hobby, I call it a way of life. No way that you can stop me. You know that I've been training, right? The more you try to block me, the more that I control the fight. And now you on the ropes, now you on the ropes. What you gon' do? Quitting's not an option. That voice in your head that keeps telling you you got this lied to you, and now everybody's watching.
So for the past couple of weeks, I'd love to say a month, this has been my most favorite lip combo, and I tried ordering it on toofaced.com along with the Jackie Aina foundation thing that she did with Too Faced, and my money was sent back because they don't accept orders from Jamaican PayPal accounts, I guess. So this color is called Queen Bee and it's a matte, and this color is called Milkshake. Yeah, and it's almost done. This is what I wanted to order, but it looks so, it's like the sexiest nude ever in life, and I'm literally scraping the bottle. But yeah, so this is the look. This is the look with my nice short shrunken hair. My hair is, it's not as long, but you know, it's all shrunken. But this is the look. My overall assessment of the palette is that it is, I've never seen a palette like this before. The names that are in there are the actual names of the actual colors. Saying that you don't have like ruby red and a gang green, sapphire blue. It's like blue, red, yellow, black, brown, pink, gold, silver, white. It's just straightforward, which is keeping with the whole theme of it being a box of crayons. So this palette, the colors I love mostly are the shimmery / metallic colors. The matte colors though can be worked with and they're okay, but my favorite ones are those, and I'll be doing more looks with this palette, so stay tuned for that. This is for me the game changer. I love it. Gone to bed. Oh my gosh, girl, what are you doing? What is you doing? I mean, my glow looks so, this is called Cappuccino and Old Banana. So I use Cappuccino and Old Banana for my glow. And there ain't nothing wrong with adding more cappuccino. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Hey, yeah, ain't nothing wrong with it. Hey. But yeah, this is beautiful. And I could even use this to low light as well. Ooh, I can't wait to do more looks with this. And this is the Watch Me Blush palette, thecrayoncase.com. So this is it for this video, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to the next video. If you have not already, do not forget to subscribe, share my video, comment, like, all that good stuff, and most importantly, please click the notification bell, because if you don't, my videos will not show up in your subscription feed. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.